Yeah. Good evening, sir. I'm Sonali Durga from the science stream, 11th class.
What is this? So this is the pebble bed modular reactor. This can come as a very handy tool. So this consists mainly of these tennis ball shaped fuel pebbles. So each of these pebbles has a graphite matrix covering. So inside this is the fuel shell. So the fuel shell has the fuel cell which contains specific layers above it, so that the radioactivity is absolutely locked inside it. So it is unlike the current reactors that have the fuel spread out. So another special feature of this is the special sodium carbide, silicon carbide.
Cooling. How it's cooling the sodium?
So silicon carbide layer. So this is a special layer.
Carbide.
Yeah. So
that,
this is
that they are doing now. Carbide route they are doing now. Carbide route that's the high efficiency system.
So this is just to lock the radioactive material inside so that it does not escape. So then this can be stored from millions of years in this thing. So another features are the silicon carbide layer. So it prevents it from going anywhere. So this is come as a very handy tool, and the rest of it will be explained by me.
In this is a microparticle in which we have a center which is a fuel kernel, which is of uranium oxide, and then we have 4 different layers which are made up of 3 isotropic particles. The first one is a porous layer of carbon, and the other one will be a pyrolytic coating which will be dense, and the third one, which is very important, is a silicon carbide barrier coating. It helps it to retain the fission products at elevated temperatures and also gives this its structural integrity, and then we have a pyrolytic coating again to give it a dense structure. It is very important to mention here that the accident cannot happen because of the silicon carbide coating that keeps the radioactivity locked inside, and human intervention is also not there. Therefore, this is very safe, and fuel can be, in the worst of scenarios also, fuel can be spent inside safely.
So the special feature here is that coolant is helium and it is inert, so it does not react with any of the PBMR components. Also, sir, the helium, it absorbs the heat from the core, which it transfers to the power turbine without any loss of heat.